Welcome back to Homesteading with the Heberts, guys. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to take this truck that you see here behind me. You guys probably have seen it in other videos with a bunch of pallets stacked up on it. I'm going to go ahead and clean it out a little bit, and then we're going to take it down to the garage and see if it can pass inspection. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alright guys, so we brought the truck down. A couple things we need to get fixed in order for it to be able to be put on the road. We need to get the glass repaired because it's got some crack right there, which I was afraid that was going to make it fail. The other thing we need to do is we need to fix the corner cab right there. We got to fix this corner cab, which is both those items I knew about. And then the rocker panel underneath is getting rusted through, so I got to repair that. We've got that brake line right there. It's coming down, needs to be replaced because it's got a leak in it. And then the last thing I need to do is down there. You can't even see it. There's not enough light. Hold on.
Hey, where are you? Right there. Hey guys.
Down there. That lower manifold gasket right there just needs to be changed out. Once I do those things, I'll be able to get this inspected.
Hi guys.
And then we'll get it on the road. Odie wants to say hi.
Hi, I'm going to do my chores. I'm breaking up the leaves and putting them in the backyard.
Oh, good job. Go ahead. If you're watching the channel and you like it, please hit that subscribe button, as it does keep us motivated and helps us to continue making these videos. Have a great day, guys. Bye.